guys, it's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another resort tour. Hey! This resort is located in the town of Alegria, which is the northern tip of this island. You can see beautiful beaches here, very local, and I think that's one of the reasons why Martin and I really love this place. We're currently staying here in Darosa Del Mar, which is a very family-friendly beach resort. Without further ado, let's go to the room tour. This is the family kubo, which is in front of the beach. So the thing that I like about this kubo is that once you wake up, you get to see a beautiful scenery like this.
Look at that. The waves are even pounding in the back. White beach and clear water because we're protected by the reef.
And it's very peaceful here. You can't hear anything. They have a porch, veranda here where you can chill. Look at the sunrise.
There's no neighbors on either of the sides, so it's a very quiet resort. It's not located near any barangay. This has newly been renovated, you guys, and let's have a look inside.
As you can see, it's very spacious. There are 2 queen-size beds that can fit 4 people, 5 if there's a kid. What I love about this bungalow is that it has a high ceiling. Ooh. There is a working area. Since this is a newly renovated, they haven't put the curtains yet. They have an open closet and a safety box where you can put all of your valuables.
There's also the view to the garden.
Yeah.
Where you can see there's a lot of space in between each bungalow, so you have enough privacy.
This is the bathroom. Very nice and clean and also spacious. They do give toiletries like toothbrush, shampoo and conditioner and soap. This is their shower, hot and cold shower. All of the bungalows here in Darosa Del Mar are air conditioned. All right, let's proceed to the second room.
Surfboards and kayaks and bed mattresses, and all this is included for free if you are staying here. So we really want to take the kayak out for morning exercise one day. Similar view to the other nice bungalow. This is bungalow number 2, beach a hole.
Oh,
yeah. So it's
very spacious.
Very spacious. I would say it's 2 queen-size beds, air conditioned, workstation, fan. Beach view, but not a porch facing the ocean this way, but you have it facing the garden and the ocean on the outside. Bathrooms over here.
Looks so nice and tidy.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
And it's actually very, very clean.
They also do room cleanups every other day. That is why it looks very clean at all times. There are also lounging areas where you can chill, work. They do have Wi-Fi, and I would say they have the best Wi-Fi here in the northern part of this island. So you don't have to worry about getting disconnected when you're working from home.
Some people prefer to just chill out here. You can also have your food served here. And over here is the resort dog. This is Bella.
Bella, this is a very pet-friendly resort too. Dogs can just come in, you know.
It's actually fenced, so it's kind of safe to have your dog here as well. And yeah, occasionally it can be up to 5 dogs here at once. Hey, let's show them our kubo where we're staying.
Okay, don't mind our sampayans.
This is our kubo, a more standard kubo than the other ones we showed you earlier. And this is our private collection of seashells that we've collected just by walking on the beach. So many different shapes, beautiful. And since the surfing season is coming up, the waters is shifting, so the sand is really changing now, and the beach is actually looking a lot nicer than it did just a week ago because the sand keeps coming in. Come inside, come inside. King size bed, perfect for couples. You do have a small workstation where I am working on some social media stuff when I have time, if I'm not working in the restaurant. We also have a bathroom.
This is our bathroom. Hello.
Yeah, it's very similar to the other bathroom. There are blankets that they keep on top of the bed.
It's the softest
Oh my God.
blanket.
They actually went to the Middle East to buy these and
Yeah.
bring them back to the resort.
In Bahrain. So if you guys are watching from the Middle East, you probably know about this type of blanket. Oh, really love that.
This blanket alone makes me want to sleep an extra hour in the morning. That's
Yeah.
how crazy it is. Really well insulated as well, so you don't hear a lot that's going on elsewhere. I think it's time for Ava to show you the restaurant.
So the thing that we love about this place is that they have good food. And they serve from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, a large garden space.
Yeah.
Especially if you're into yoga, into, I don't know, exercise, you can do it here. Bella, come here. Yeah, she's the star of this vlog.
I actually like to fight her and show her a thing or two. And here is the restaurant at the back of the resort. Or the front of the resort, depending on where you're coming from. Over here is the bar, where they serve great coffee, beer, some drinks, and delicious food.
Show you guys in front.
Yes. Hello!
Hi! Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah.
Actually, Martin discovered this restaurant. We were driving to Tangbo to check out the Airbnb that we booked. We have no idea where to eat. And they actually do serve good food.
Yeah,
We are very surprised.
by surprise with the hospitality and the nice beachfront, which we saved for last.
Yes, we'll show you that later on in this vlog. So make sure to stick around and we're gonna save the best for last.
Exactly.
And did I mention they have a generator here, which is very uncommon, especially in the northern part of this island.
From GL, it's about 1 hour to 1.5 hour ride. You come through GL, there's a big gas station. Right after the gas station, it's a road going into the jungle. It says Darosa Del Mar, and that's the road that's gonna lead you right here. You can park your motorbike and find a restaurant and the beach resort right in front of you. Ah! Whoa!
It's not a beach house or a beach resort if there's no hammock.
So
And
true.
also a dog. See, Bella is always there in every frame.
Yeah.
She's like, give me the vlog, give me the vlog.
She just loves to follow us around.
So cute.
But here is the view, the beachfront. It's a
They
beautiful
do a little
day.
bit of bonfire from time to time. Well, of course, if you're a guest here, you're allowed to do that, and they do barbecues here as well.
Exactly. This is where I order from the Coco Man, one of the guys that works here. I just call him the Coco Man. I don't really know his real name. He will climb one of the coconut trees on the resort and give you
Fresh coconut.
straight from the tree. And this is my favorite spot where I just sit right here and just enjoy it. And then over here, just made with, what is this oven in?
Coconut leaf.
Yeah, made with coconut leaf, but I think it looks really exotic. And they have these sun tanning beds and the mattresses that I showed you earlier. Occasionally we just bring them out and lounge here for the day. Walk straight onto the beach. Should we do that? Should we show them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's currently low tide.
Since no neighbors. You pretty much have this entire beach for yourself. So that is amazing.
And after swimming at the beach, Martin's gonna show you the outside shower.
When you're done for the day, before you go back to your kubo, you go up here, and this is where they built an outdoor shower. And on this outdoor shower, it's actually the major surf spot up here in the north.
They accept walk-ins so you can swim and then rinse off at this shower and enjoy the place.
Exactly. So we really had to show you this beautiful family-friendly resort up here in the Northern Siargao.
Modern Kubo.
And we really hope it inspired you to do a weekend trip here. So if you still haven't seen Ave's weekend trip vlog, link is right up here. And that's going to give you an idea of all the activities and things you can do up here in the north. A place that we really recommend. Perfect for a weekend getaway.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the different resorts here in Siargao Island to give you guys an idea where to stay once tourism is open again. Take care. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.